As we embark on this expedition, we find ourselves at the threshold of self-discovery. Just as the intricacies of nature's design hold breathtaking beauty, so too do the complexities of our own emotional landscape, waiting to be embraced and understood. Our journey mirrors the rhythm of changing seasons. Just as leaves fall to the ground, people come and go, each weaving a unique thread into the tapestry of our lives, creating a mosaic of experiences that contribute to our growth. Picture life as a bustling dance floor, where countless individuals join and leave in a dance of fleeting connections. Each encounter adds a unique movement to the choreography of our existence. Look up at the sky, and you'll witness the constant movement of clouds. Life, too, is in a state of continuous flux. The key lies in cultivating resilience, becoming like the trees that bend but never break in the face of the storm. Just as a candle's flame eventually flickers out, connections have their time. Learning to let go with gratitude opens our hearts for the arrival of new experiences, each carrying its own significance. Imagine your emotional landscape as a well-organized bookshelf. Setting boundaries becomes an act of self-care, a method of organizing and protecting the treasures that lie within. Life is a grand narrative, and we are its authors. With every choice, every emotion, and every experience, we craft a story uniquely our own, giving purpose and meaning to our journey. Observe a flower as it blooms, embracing change with grace and beauty. Our journey, too, involves embracing the wisdom that emerges from navigating life's twists and turns. Our emotions form a symphony, playing melodies that range from joy to sorrow. By mastering this emotional orchestra, we become conductors of our own life, orchestrating harmonious composition. Each moment becomes a brushstroke on the canvas of our lives. Embracing the journey means honoring the mosaic of experiences that shape us, allowing us to emerge as stronger and more authentic versions of ourselves. At the core of emotional mastery lies a deeper connection to both ourselves and others. This journey leads us to cultivate empathy, compassion, and a profound understanding of the human experience. Imagine life as a delicate balancing act. It's about finding equilibrium between the connections that enrich our lives and the inner sanctum of our hearts, where we find solace and strength. As we draw the curtains on this enlightening journey, remember that the tapestry we've woven together remains as a testament to the power of emotional mastery. Let us continue to navigate the intricate dance of emotions and connections, cherishing the beauty in impermanence and thriving amidst life's ever-changing seas. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this series, inviting others to join us in this extraordinary exploration of emotions and connections. Together, let's traverse the captivating landscapes that define our human experience.